Welcome to the training on Block 8 of the one-to-one presentation of the Be Motivated Today opportunity. This is the last block on the one-to-one presentation form. The purpose of this block is threefold. Firstly, to know whether your prospect will join your business or what is needed for him or her to join. Secondly, to provide more information if needed. And thirdly, to offer a better upgrade option. Closing correctly is very important so that you don't leave your prospect hanging, not knowing what happens next. In this block, you will be closing. We will deal with the various responses that your prospect may have at this point. Learning how to handle these responses correctly will be a very important skill for you to master that will help you in building your business. Move straight onto this block after you have finished Block 7. Make the transition from Block 7 to Block 8 by saying, "What do you like most about this plan?" Here you just need to be quiet and wait for your prospect to answer. You may need to repeat the question because your prospect has been listening to you and may not have understood that now it's their turn to speak. They may have liked any one of the many aspects of this business, the products and services, the company, or the compensation plan. Whatever their answer is, always say, "I like that about this opportunity as well," because I'm sure you do. You can also say, "Yes, there are lots of people in my team who like that as well." Now you want to know how close the person is to upgrading, so you need to take their temperature, so to speak. Say, on a scale of 1 to 10, where do you see yourself? 1 means you're not interested at all, and 10 means that you want to start right away. Where do you see yourself on this scale? Circle the number that they give you. Very often they'll tell you why they've chosen this number even before you ask. But then say, "That's great. What do you need to get you to a 10? They may have more questions, not have the money now, want to discuss it with their spouse. Answer any questions. Sometimes your prospect had few questions when you asked in Block 7, but now that they need to make a decision, they may have a few. A common question at this point is, "But what will I have to sell?" Answer, "That's a great question. The good news is you won't be selling anything. You'll just be using the products and services of Be Motivated Today." Another common question is, "But what will I be doing?" Answer, "That's a great question. You'll be building your team of customers and business partners and helping them build their teams as well. In that way, you'll be making money and helping others to make money as well." If your prospect doesn't have the money to start right now, ask, "When will you have the money?" If they will have the money in a few weeks' time, say to them, "That's no problem. Let's start building your team already." By the time you have the money, you may already have a nice team, and then we simply register them all at the same time. If you want this person in your team, you will need to help them start building their team by building their 5x5 structure using the reverse of the one-to-one form, and then doing one-to-one presentations with them and their prospects. If they want to discuss it with their spouse first, say, "That's a good idea, but you have not been trained to present this correctly. Why don't I come and present this to both of you, and then you can also see it again and start learning how to present it yourself." Make the appointment or schedule a follow-up call to make the appointment. Always arrange a follow-up call or meeting with your team or prospects whenever you're in touch with them, so that your business continues to grow all the time. After you have taken their temperature and have scheduled a follow-up call, move to the next part, which we call the upsell. Simply say, "Let me quickly show you a better upgrade option." Now, this next part has different fees and incomes based on whether you are presenting the platinum, gold, silver, or bronze one-to-one presentation. I've shown you what you'll earn if you and everyone you invite join at this membership level. But if you join at a higher membership level and everyone joins at the same level, you'll earn so much more every month with the 3,900 members from this example, and so will your team. Could you afford this registration fee and these monthly subscriptions? Some people may feel that the incomes you have shown them in the example are too small, and by doing this upsell, you show them that there is more to earn if they spend more. It also means you'll earn more if they and all their prospects upgrade to a higher membership level from the beginning. Presenting the upsell also means that they are not deciding whether to join or not, but at which membership level to join. It is a business and sales technique you should always use. If people can afford to join at a higher membership level, they should, because it means more money for them and everyone in the long run. But always have people join at the membership level which they can afford. Whichever membership level they choose, say, "That's great." Write your Be Motivated Today membership number down here and say, "Here's my website. You can get more information there. There are videos on the business and testimonies of people that have succeeded." Put your mobile number here. Close the one-to-one presentation by saying, "You can keep this form." Then turn the form around and say, "Here is everything you need to know to build your business. Structuring your team, building basics, the compensation plan, 2 more examples, and how to approach people for your business." If your prospect was at a 10 when you took their temperature and would like to get started right away, say, "That's great, let's get you started." Then go to your Be Motivated Today website and show them the video and enroll them or have them complete the membership application and debit order authorization forms. Congratulate them on making a great decision. Find out when they will deposit their registration fee. Then ask if they have another 15 minutes to start building their business. If they do have the time, work with them to complete their 5x5 structure on the reverse of the one-to-one form, and even call some of their prospects to set up an appointment to do one-to-one presentations. And that is the end of Block 8. We have come to the end of the training on the one-to-one presentation of the Be Motivated Today opportunity. Become a master at presenting this and you'll become wealthy. Go through this training a few more times and then practice. You can do it. And remember, you are building a business that will change your financial future forever. Don't hold back. Pursue your better future with enthusiasm and hard work. You have nothing to lose, but so much to gain. Ciao for now.